Hello guys, welcome to the latest video of my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share you with my I am Rohtak interview experience. I had my I am Rohtak interview on 14th of February 2025. My center was I am Rohtak college itself, and my reporting time was between 7:30 to 8 a.m. in the morning. So I reached the center around 7:30, and then I was given an I-card, green color I-card, and I was told to go to the document verification room, where I waited for around 40 to 45 minutes for document verification. And in document verification, you have to have your PI admit card, also your form, the form you have submitted, including your SOPs, your answers, your detail, and all. You have to take a printout of that. Your Then you have to have your graduation degree and your work experience certificate. So once my document verification process was done, I waited for another 45 minutes, and there were around 14 to 15 panels, and each panel has 12 to 13 students. My sequence number was 4, so my turn for PI came early. Then I was told to go to the respective PI rooms. Uh, there I was told again to sit because some interviews were going on before that. So I waited for around 20 to 30 minutes more, and then my PI turn came. So my experience at I am wrote the interview was decent because I was able to answer most of the questions, but there were some random GK questions specifically that were asked to me. And when I told that I don't know, then they told me to take a wild guess, and I guess sometimes my guess was right, but sometimes it was not up to the mark. So my interview went decent. There were some questions like I'm sharing with you. There was a example for 2 minutes in which I was told to speak about how India can become a superpower, and for that I was given 1 minute, and also was given a sheet so that I could write my points so that it would be beneficial for me to then speak upon it for 2 minutes. Then there were some questions about tell me about yourself, where I was born and brought up, my background, my family background. Like there were a lot questions around 20 to 30. There were some questions on Chat GPT, DeepSeek, difference between them. Then there were some questions regarding my PORs. Then on blockchain, there were 2 to 3 questions. Then searching and sorting algorithm. Also, there were GK questions like on the Delhi election, there were 5 to 6 questions, and some questions were like pretty vague according to me. Like they asked me, what's the minimum difference between two candidates in Delhi election, and the candidate has won. So I told like I don't know the minimum number, but I guess Manish Sisodia has lost by 500 seats 500 votes from his constituency. So I guess it is minimum, but I don't know the exact number. So then they asked me about Swati Maliwal and why she was in news. Also, there were some questions regarding Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, who's the upper house, what's the duration of that, how the members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha can be changed. Then how many colors are there in our Indian flag? How many spokes are there in our Indian flag, and why there are 24 spokes in our Indian flag? What's the ratio of length into breadth of our Indian flag? So there were too many GK questions that I couldn't even remember all of them. Then there were some questions regarding data, that why India should have their own servers in our own country. Also there were some they asked me like in which countries DeepSeek is banned. So there were too many questions, around 20 to 25, and I couldn't even remember all of them. But I guess I was able to answer 70 to 80% of the questions. So it went decent, but I guess as a general engineer male fresher, I wouldn't be able to convert I am Rohtak because of. So in conclusion, my I am Rohtak interview was decent, and if you are having your I am Rohtak interview in upcoming days, please expect the unexpected, because they are asking anything. If you are a WorkX guy with 3 to 4 years of WorkX, they could ask you academics. Also brush up on some GK topics. So if you have the I am Rohtak interview in upcoming days, all the best, and subscribe to my channel for more such interview experience videos. Thank you and have a nice day.